Okay, today I'm going to go over how to do a Google Docs cloud assignment. This can be done using a Google Doc or a Google Slides or any Google platform type of document that you want students to complete. So if you created a template for a document that you want students to use, instead of posting the link to the document where students then have to make a copy of it, rename it, and then submit the assignment as an attachment, the Google Docs Cloud assignment actually creates the copy of the document right into the student's Google Drive. They complete it, and then they go back to Canvas and click submit. It takes a few steps out, and once your kids get familiar with how it works, it helps with the grading process because everything flows right through SpeedGrader. So to do that, you can just go to your assignments and click Add Assignment. For this one, I'm actually going to use a template that is a Google Slides document, but you can do it for basically anything. So the assignment name for this is going to be About Me Slides. I usually type that this is a Google Docs cloud assignment. Please submit through Canvas just to get the kids used to it. Really, this one's not Google Docs, it's Google Slides, but whatever you want it to be. So you can change your points to be whatever you want it to be. My assignment group is just an example for this one. It ends up being an external tool is your submission type as opposed to a file upload. So you need to find the document in the external tool, which is Google Docs Cloud Assignment. And then you wait for your Google Drive to load. Now, you can search through all your files and find it, but if you know what you're planning on using and you just search it, it should just show up, but in this case, it's not actually happening. So I'm going to go into my e-learning and find a document that will work for this. So I'm just going to use something pretty straightforward that I've used. Of course, this is not ideal because I can't find the file that I want. That's awesome. So once you get in there, you can find basically anything. I don't know what I just did. That was great job by me. We don't need that. It can go away. Yeah, I'm failing right now. This is awesome. There we go. I just made stuff go away. All right, let's just go into my world history folder. And then we'll just find a document here. Yeah, it's gotta be something here. Even better. All right, so I'm just gonna go with this Cold War notes packet all, which is not what I would actually assign my kids, but it's something. So you find it, click submit, and then you hit select. And I always check the sync to SIS because I like to have the grades automatically sync. I know some people get nervous about it. I have not had any problems with it at all. It works fine. You can go back into Canvas and change a grade and override it. If you update something, it happens. And I haven't had any problems with it. So the issues that people say are their concerns, I've heard them. I have not experienced them. So if that's something that you want to talk about, learn more about how I do, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. It does not bother me at all. So you can create your assignment due date whenever it needs to be. I'm not going to put one on here. So we're just going to make this one available from today until tomorrow. It's a fake assignment and save and publish. All right, so what's going to happen is students are going to do the assignment and it's going to actually load right in their screen. Now, I don't like it loading that way because it's small and it can be really hard for kids to see and type into. So what I usually do is I check this box that says to load it in a new tab. because it actually will open it and make it look more like it's in their Google Drive. For students, if they start it and then go back to it, they can actually work on it right in their Google Drive because the copy is created from Canvas. In order to submit the assignment, they don't click share from Google. Some of the times the kids will do that the first time, and it does take walking them through how to do it the first time. What they will do is they will actually open the assignment in Canvas, wait for a minute, it will load everything they did in their Google Drive, and then there's a submit button. So for students, for this particular assignment, when they click on it, it's going to look something like this. When they click it, they'll have this button to load it in a new window. Now, because I'm pretending to be a student, it doesn't work. What would happen here is it would actually load the document into their Google Drive, and they would then be able to submit it. Now, since I can't actually access it because I'm pretending to be a student in Canvas, it doesn't actually work. But from the student side, they'll go here, they'll see a little button, blue button that says submit, and then that's it. And for you as a teacher, when it's time to grade, you'll just go into your SpeedGrader and you'll see their document. You can put comments on it. There's a text tool, and you can go ahead and put those comments. You can attach a rubric if you want to automatically assign points. It's going to look sort of like this, but you'll, in this window here, you'll see what they've actually done. You can give it a score. If you've given it a rubric, it'll show up there, and then you hit submit, and then you can arrow through to your next student. In my case, it's a test student. So that's it. It's pretty straightforward how it works. I love it. I use the Google Docs Cloud assignments all the time. I think it's a lot more efficient than posting a link to the Google Doc and then having kids make a copy, and then they share it back, and then you have to search through your drive to find their document that they never named correctly. And then when they turn stuff in late, you have to go find it. I think that's a nightmare. So by having it, the Google Docs Cloud assignment version, they just submit it right in Canvas. The time and date stamps when they did it, and you're good. So if you need help or want to see a real life example of how it looks like on the grading end, reach out to me, to my Warren friends. And that's it. Sorry I rambled and couldn't find a document for a while. Have a great one. Thanks for watching. Bye.